Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Parts of the eastern United States will face tricky travel after providing and avoiding deadly blizzard conditions and ice that slammed the central United States earlier this week. A batch of steady rain will move across the mid-Atlantic through the Wednesday afternoon and push into the northeast by the Wednesday evening. This rainfall could become heavy at times, especially late Wednesday and Wednesday night. Washington, D.C., Philadelphia and New York City all face a level 1 of 4 flood threat from the heavy rain, and pounding on roadways could slow travel on the ground and reduced visibility may lead to flight delays. Wednesday's travel weather hazards come after the blizzard-fueling winter storm swept across the plains and upper Midwest with the heavy snow, freezing rain and strong winds, creating dangerous travel in the bushy and busy holiday weeks. Light to moderate snow as well as rain and freezing rain could fall over the parts of the region Wednesday but will largely wrap up by the end of the day. A few rain and snow showers will then trek through the portions of the Great Lakes on Thursday. The storm's worst happened on Monday and Tuesday when the snow combined with the strong wind gusts, sometimes 50 to 60 miles per hour, with the isolated gust up to 75 miles per hour to hit parts of the Nebraska, South Dakota, Kansas, Colorado and Wyoming. Blizzards occur when blowing snow and sustained strong winds combine for at least 3 hours and reduce visibility to a quarter mile or less. In Kansas, snow and ice contributed to the deadly crash early Monday morning in the Pawnee County when a driver of a pickup truck lost control and struck a car ahead on the driven by the 86-year-old man. He was killed in the Christmas Day crash, according to the Kansas Highway Patrol. The driver of the pickup truck was injured as well as 2 others riding in the vehicle were also injured. Cars also collided and slid off the roads Monday in Nebraska, where tractor-trailer jackkniffed and got stuck on the eastbound Interstate 80 near the New York in the morning and early afternoon, the Nebraska State Patrol said. Troopers with the Nebraska State Patrol said they responded to about 150 weather-related incidents on Christmas Day, according to a news release. Low visibility levels also shut down major roadways that lingered into the Wednesday morning. Westbound Interstate 80 and Highway 30 were closed from Kearney, middle of the Nebraska, to the Wyoming state line, a stretch of about 270 miles according to the State Department of Transportation. Eastbound travel on the highways was closed from Wyoming to North Platte, Nebraska, about 179 miles according to the Transportation Department and State Police. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.